Class 69, Computer Ethics. So it is defined as moral issues regarding computers. Means study and analysis of impact of computer technology on nature and society. Second, formulation and justification of policies for right use of computers. So first is study of impact of computers on people and nature. Second is formulation of rules, means policies for right use of computers and justifying it. So these are included here. There are different classifications. So in your syllabus, two types are important: computer used as instrument of unethical act. In second case, computer is used as object. So in the first case, computer is used as instrument for unethical acts. Okay, third case, it is not said in your syllabus. It is due to autonomous nature of computers. Fourth is ethical problems. By computers in workplace. First two are important for you. So let us see. Computers as instruments. Okay. So there is one case is job elimination. So when you use computers, it can lead to automation and unemployment. So second place, computers replace job position. When computers are used, job positions have to be replaced. Sometimes juniors may have to be placed at high places because they would be good in computer profession, and you have to give training for all people, but all people may not be able to perform well in computer technology. So it will replace the job positions. Today in banks you can see young people act as manager. So this is the thing. Next, breaking privacy. Here data is accessed and can be erased, or the ownership can be changed. Suppose say when all the data are kept in software, somebody who is working there can erase the data, and he can take the ownership. Even documents can be forged. And suppose another thing is breaking privacy. See, in a supermarket, you have given lots of people give phone numbers. The person who is working there can get all the phone numbers. Similarly, in bank, The clerk who is working there, that clerk can see how much amount is there in the account holders, and he can leak that information to somebody third person. Today supermarket people can sell your contact details to some other organization, say insurance company, and insurance company will call you, advertising company may call you, would you like to take policy, etc., etc. So that may be some, for some it may be that some may be happy, but all may not be happy. Some may feel irritated when such calls come from other third party. Next, defraud. There is possibility of transferring money from another person's account, because when computer is used, it is easy to access anybody's account and you can transfer money. Next, plagiarism. Suppose say somebody has done some work. Now a person who has access to that can steal the data and pass it, project it as his own thing. ಅಂದರೆ ಇನ್ನೊಬ್ಬರ ಕೆಲಸವನ್ನು ಕದ್ದು ತನ್ನದೇ ಎಂದು ತೋರಿಸಿಕೊಳ್ಳುವಂಥದ್ದು. Next, computer crime. Computers are used to support criminal activities. So today drug dealers and other criminals, they use computer technology for their activities. Even terrorists, for transmitting illegal information, doing illegal transaction, creating fake documents, they create fake passports, many things. So this is, computer is used for doing unethical activities. Means through computer they do some other unethical activities. Next, computer as object of unethical act. We will take this in next class.